morning. Had an amazing night's sleep last night. Super calm. Way different than Saba. Speaking of, we are here in Buck Island. Took us about, I don't know, I think it was exactly 100 nautical miles to get here to the USVIs from Saba.
How'd you sleep last night?
So good. I felt like we were on land. It was so good. Oh, nice calm anchorage. And it was funny because our friends who've been here said it was kind of rough and rocky, but this was nice. I feel like a whole new woman.
And our cuddle pit has been put away. Kind of.
Kind of.
We're gonna go dive this wreck just outside of the boat. We're going with Too Short. They said they did the wreck already, and it was pretty epic. The clarity is like really, really good, so we're excited to get diving again.
You know, since it's been like a week.
Hey.
How do you like our storage here?
Yeah, you like our little treasure chest? Fits our gear pretty nicely.
And serves as a backup cooler.
Yeah.
The Cartanza Sonora was a 190-foot long freighter that was originally used to transport goods during World War II. After the war, she was turned into an agricultural freighter transporting items between South America and the Caribbean island chain. Until, legend has it, the crew was warned that the Coast Guard got wind of them carrying some very questionable items on board. So questionable, to avoid being caught, they loaded up their dinghies with said items, scuttled their boat, and sank it right in the mouth of Charlotte-Amalie, the main harbor to St. Thomas. Here, it became a hazard, so it was set to be blown up. But Billette, a local dive shop owner, led a campaign and raised funds to have the wreck moved to Buck Island and repurposed for a diving attraction. Then, Hurricane Hugo rolled it up from 85 feet of water, broke it into 3 pieces, and then it finally settled into 45 feet of water where it is now. The water is so clear here that normally you can see the wreck from the surface.
Chai tea's almost ready. That dive was exhausting. So hopefully this will give us a little perk so we can get some work done. We make our own chai tea spice. We got all these spices from St. Vincent. It's like cinnamon, cumin, clove, bay leaf. Anyways, you can find a million recipes online. We just picked one. It comes out pretty nice. You like it, right?
Yeah, I love it. It's delicious. It's like I'm at a coffee house.
Saoirse's Coffee House.
How's that coffee?
Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Awesome, it's so good. Crystal's sending me pictures that Darren took with his ridiculous rig. Oh my gosh, you guys have to see it, but I don't know if you'll be able to see it on camera. Can you see it?
No, I can't get focused on
I'll show it here. But he's got an awesome underwater rig now, and he was taking pictures of us while we were swimming around. It was cool. What are you doing?
You guys may be wondering, but I think some of you already know. Most of our time is spent right here behind the computers. That's what we're going to be doing the rest of tonight. Good night. It's another day, another dive.
You about ready to go?
Yeah, it's interesting. We're actually going to go back over to Too Short. They have the perfect setup to be diving from the boat. It's get the gear on, slide off the sugar scoop, and it's really convenient here in the USVIs because they have dive mooring balls everywhere that are rated for bigger boats. So we're going to take their boat over to this tiny little point over here. We've heard it's good diving, so. Hi, Saoirse.
So much easier with another person.
Now that we pretty much did all the diving we could do here in Buck Island?
Why do you always question where we're at?
Well, Buck Bay, Buck Island, I don't know. It's been real busy this morning, so we need to get off this mooring and go to pretty much what we call home here in the USVIs, Red Hook. It'll be good. We'll be able to see old friends. How's that sail coming?
It's not. It's too big. I can't fold it up back here. I'm just gonna put it over here so we can use it as a bean bag on the way over.
And then once we start pointing, then I'll raise the main. No, you're fine. You ready?
Yep. So should we try to cut as soon as we can right now?
What do you mean?
So like cut now and go up?
Yeah,
or,
yeah.
Like go
we
out
need
and
to
cut?
point. No, we need to
All right,
point.
so point as much as we can now?
Okay. I need to raise this main.
Okay.
And actually, you might need to help me with the motor. It's pretty light though, so I don't know. You able to point a little more?
No, I'm going to the reef, but I can try. Yeah. You ready? Hurry up.
That's fine, fall off.
Okay. Now going 4.9 knots.
Good job on this hot dog sauerkraut thing.
Hot dog in a jar.
Hot dog in a jar. It's delicious. Mustard, sauerkraut. You made this for the crossing, didn't you?
Yeah, but we didn't eat it.
It's perfect for now.
So it's got mustard, onions, sauerkraut, and then some sort of sausage that we found in
The jarred
Asia.
sausage?
Or, yeah.
Nice. That's really good. Quick and easy.
What else should we put on it for the future?
I don't know, it's pretty perfect. Nailed it.
Nailed it.
Ow. Delicious.
What, like this?
One thing we don't miss is this ferry wake, huh?
This one's a new one, and we're just outside, so he's not slowing down any. Nice wake. Good night.
Good job, helmswoman.
Wonder who's all here. It's the
It's-
same people from last year.
It's a lot busier
Oh, well,
right
yeah,
now.
because
Holidays.
holidays. It's open now, whereas last time we were here, it was closed. More so, more than not.
Yeah, I
mean,
think people are more willing to travel now.
Yeah, one whole year later. It's been almost a year. Look at this boat from rocking from the wake. Made it into Red Hook. Now we just gotta get the dinghy off the boat because we've been here for 2 days in the USVIs and still haven't taken the dinghy off. But I think we'll probably run and get some groceries, but gotta get the sails put away. You know, all the things that we gotta get done to be able to do anything. And it's never a good idea to drop anchor and then zoom out of here. So it always gives us plenty of time to get everything put away and the dinghy down, and we know that the anchor is nice and secure.
Let's get to it. Chop chop.
Chop, chop.
Good morning.
Morning. Alright, so we got the SIM card. Do you want to look at FedEx or
USPS.
USPS? Good morning! We have a list of things to do today. We need to do some laundry and just getting stuff picked up, but we are going to take you along with us because this is what we do in the real world of boating. It's not always just diving and sunset. It's actually getting work done and trying to find out where we can pick up things. So I'm gonna do laundry today because I can do all of it at once. Another thing that we're doing is picking up our water maker membrane. How excited about that are you?
Super excited. No more jerry cans. When did we discover that the filter was clogged? Where was that? St. Vincent, right?
We were in Canwan getting water.
Yeah.
Yeah, St. Vincent on the way down.
So it's been a good
Since
6
July.
months. No.
We went to St. Vincent in July.
Yeah, but really? It's been that long?
Yes.
Jeez. But yeah, so I'll be changing that out today or tomorrow.
We haven't been doing laundry on board because we don't have the water maker in commission, so I'm just going to take everything all at once, save us some time, and that way we don't have to worry about the running water all day. Again, like I said, lots to do.
Alright, finish coffee first,
But
and
coffee
then
first.
we'll get moving. This is an experiment. I put garlic, onion, and red pepper in here, so we'll see.
Your ginger garlic one. Wait, ginger. Is it
Yeah.
ginger garlic?
No, it's just ginger red cabbage. That one comes out really good.
For all of you guys that don't know, Beau loves to ferment.
Just cabbage.
Shall we reenact how this went down? Did it rip here?
I think it started actually right here.
Like right there.
Right here.
And then it worked its way here. And then just
Yep.
all the way.
And then it hit the horizontal.
All the way. Definitely not repairable.
It is, just not worth repairing it.
It's in two separate parts. That would take some work. Not worth it. So we're gonna fold this up and put it next to the dumpster and hope that somebody can use it. It's a lot of sale, so hopefully it'll go for good use.
Not how you're supposed to fold the sail, but it's good enough for whoever wants it next. I'm here to pick up a package for Burridge, Beau. All right, got this bad boy. Now we just gotta get it installed and make some water. Make sure it works. Thank you. Nice thing about being in Red Hook is there is a second-hand sailing shop called Harbor Shoppers in Compass Point, which is not too far from Red Hook. So we went in there and scored some good stuff. Hey Don, good to see you, man. We got some new self-tailing winches, so that'll be nice to get installed. Hello. They're Harkin 44s. One actually has a power head on it, so if we do run across a motor, we'll have a power winch. But these will be nice because Brandy has a little bit of trouble tailing when we're sheeting in. Just got out of the Home Depot, had to pick up a few items. Now back to the boat, got to get that water maker installed. Definitely got our workout in. Now to get back to Saoirse and try to get some more stuff done.
It's not closed.
Don't you wanna go further away from the fray? Let's not get stuck in our worries. We'll make our own way. Won't you come outside where the sunflowers bloom? Breathe in the air. Look up to the moon. I'll meet you outside, away from the crowd. Just you and me together, it will all seem better outside. Just us in the sky. I will go wherever, I'll be yours
Not only are there clothes hanging all over the outside of the boat, they're inside too. Yeah, full day of laundry. Pretty much every piece of fabric that we have is hanging up right now. But we gotta run into town and drop off a few things with Mandy and John. I think we're gonna call it a night. Good night, guys. You wanna ride? It's gonna cost you.
It was quite a necessity to do this during Bahamas because the Bahamas, cabbage is the only food there. Vegetable. Yay!
Somewhat affordable vegetable.
So if you're going to Bahamas, you better learn how to ferment cabbage.
Where do you want to go? The taxi or safari? Huh? The taxi?
He's going up the hill.
Where's he going?
His taxi.
I would be